Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will tell you about the new update for the camera feature in Heartopia. Starting March 5th, Heartopia just released a new update for the camera feature and it's super cool. First, just tap on your camera icon, this one, and then in here, now you can adjust the brightness when taking photos. Just tap on the magnifying glass icon until it changes into the brightness icon like this, and then just simply slide the bar up or down to adjust the lighting the way you like it. Like this, you can adjust the brightness, and then next you can also tilt your camera. Just tap on the brightness icon again until it changes into a globe like icon like this, and after that just move the slider to tilt your camera to the left or right like this. You can adjust it as you like, for example like this. This is perfect for creating more dynamic and aesthetic shots. And another great feature is the camera lock or camera fix, this one. With When you use this feature, the frame won't move even if your character moves like this. Like this, you can see this feature is so incredible, like this. So now no more shaky or shifting angles while your character moves. And lastly, there's a new camera movement feature that makes recording aesthetic videos so much easier. Just tap on this video icon, this one, like this, and then in here there are several movement options available, and each one lasts for 10 until 30 seconds. It's perfect if you want to smooth cinematic far and close up angles or just dynamic videos. So just use the movement that you like and turn yours and then just turn on your screen recorder. For example, maybe I want to choose this one like this. With this feature, you can make a smooth and dynamic aesthetic video with like this. Like this, it's so smooth and the camera movement is so good. Like this. Like this. And that's it for the new camera update. Just try it out and make your photos and videos even more aesthetic. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.